Hello Click Designers! So in this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through everything that you need to know about the apparel templates on your account. So after you've logged in to ClickDesigns and are on your dashboard, you want to go to the templates section by clicking on templates. And from here, browse through the different template categories until you find apparels, which is over here. You are going to be able to choose different types of apparel templates. So first here we have sweatshirts. Next we have t-shirts. Then we have templates for hoodies, templates for tank tops. We also have templates for sportswear. Then we have templates for toddlers, face masks, and lastly, templates for caps. So if you notice when you go through the different categories, underneath they actually come with certain subcategories. So for example, in the t-shirt section, we also have a category for women's and men's t-shirts, just to be more specific. Now, as always, there's always an option for you to start from scratch. You can simply click on this start from scratch button. This is going to open up the editor and give you a blank canvas for your template. Now, since I want to showcase how quick and easy this is, let's try working with a template. So we're already here on the hoodies section, so let's work with the hoodies. So when you scroll through the templates and see one that you like, simply hover over it. You can either add this template to your favorites, you can preview it, so this will allow you to better see how the template looks like. And then lastly, this pencil icon will allow you to edit the template. So I'm going to click on that. From here, there are different options that you can work with. Again, you can edit the template, you can upload an image or a pre-made design that you already have, or if you already have that design on your library, you can access it from there, or you can export the image or the design flat. Now, since we're going to edit this, let's click on edit. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make some minor adjustments. I just want to show how easy and quick this is. Now, first for this image, I want to add a shadow. So underneath image settings, you want to click on shadow just to add some more detail. For this, I want to change it in terms of the text. So going on text, we're going to change this. Let's make it say ClickDesigns. There you go. So now it says ClickDesigns. I want to change the font. You can actually upload fonts through your brand kit. We do have a video on that. So I am going to choose a font from my brand kit. Okay, so I really like this font. So I'm going to choose that. And then I'm going to change the color. I want it to match the color of the denim that the bear has. So I'm going to click on the dropper icon. I'm going to hover it over to the blue here. I'm going to copy that hex code, and then I'm just going to paste it on here. There you go. So now it matches the blue. And then I'm also going to enable shadow for this one. I want the shadow to be closer to the text. So let's just adjust the shadow slightly. I'm just going to adjust the blur. So this is what we have so far. So I want to add some more elements to kind of make this pop. So let's go to the element section over here. Let's scroll down and let's go to gradient elements. So let's add this blue gradient. I'm going to put this behind the bear. So I'm going to click on layers over here on the corner, and then I'm going to drag this element all the way to the back to move it behind everything else. So I'm going to just go ahead, go to the icon section and see if I can add anything else to this design. I'm going to go to love and dating over here, and then I want to add maybe this heart behind the bear. So I'm just going to make it blend with the gradient. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to lower the opacity I'll make it 50%, and then going back to layers, I'm just going to move this all the way to the back. So when you're happy with your design, you can actually preview it. So clicking on preview here. So over here on the side, you can see how your design is going to look like on your hoodie. So when you're happy with that, you can simply click on save and exit. This is going to show you this. You can export it as the hoodie here on the export type, and you can also select your DPI and enable a watermark. Don't forget to save your design as well. So that is everything that you need to know when it comes to ClickApparels on your account. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.